Hello. Hello? Wow. The fuck, my voice fucking broke. I spoke and I almost choked somehow, I don't know. That was really weird. Okay. I've already kind of started to implement the inventory. And yeah, I'm not sure. It worked. It worked earlier when I did it. But right now, it doesn't. I'm unsure exactly how to deal with this. I've managed to figure out a way to like delete the other interactable tiles which we didn't need, and then I also managed to find a way on how to change levels, which is pretty cool. And the player spawns now on the spawn point, and we just need to remove this thing so it doesn't render, or maybe like renders differently. I'll have to decide on that. That's pretty much it. Pretty much it for now. But I think I will have to restart the whole no, not that one. The whole inventory system, because I feel like it could be done better. refactor UI. I thought we deleted that. Like, where is that even at? Oh, never mind. Yeah, that thing is deleted. Like, why is it still being shown up? Anyway. Wait, I have this thing. Could I... Where are the cables? Could I like set this up and connect it somehow? I don't think I can, but if I could, this would be really cool, I guess. So this is a... okay. And then this will go here. Okay. But then I need... let me see if I can make this work. Nope, I tried, it didn't work. Never mind. That didn't work, but I guess let me see this, and then wait, seriously? There's nothing? Wait, is it for everything? Apparently so. Well, never mind, we're stuck with what we have. Okay, so let's actually let me see everything I did. And then I can decide whether do I restart everything from scratch or do I leave it? Yeah, that's the inventory. Okay. Okay. Huh. Okay, this is much more better. I think. I'm not certain or sure, but I guess it's better. I had to tinker with a few things, and I also forgot to do one more thing before I go ahead and deal with the... What? Hmm. Oh, I don't know. Okay, let's change this back to that. Okay. Honestly, I think I just... Yeah, I'm going to discard these changes. Level, sure. And then this over here I can delete. And then here, like so. Okay, and to test out the item, let's just do it in here. So from item, import item, and let's just create a simple item. Self dot, I don't know, Perl equals item. And let's just print Perl. All right, yeah, we need the image. Moonrock. I think this is what I have one of the items created. I do. Okay. We have that. So now let's see. Perl times 1. Okay. So that works. What did I want to test? I wanted to test out. Oh yeah, I wanted to test out if the rules apply, if it like shows anything. So let's set it below the rules. Let's create it, and it runs. Okay. It runs. Warning: Perl has a weight of 0.01. Okay. That's good. Although is category. Okay, let's just do this and this. What do we print now? Okay. But a weapon needs durability and max attack is 1. That didn't work. Why didn't it work? Like, this is fine. Hmm. Like this is um category, I guess, and then this over here needs to be category dot um category dot weapon, like so, I guess. Okay, yes, but it broke. I have the like the error, like the warning error message, but it broke because of some other reasons, which I am unsure why. Let me check this out. Okay, category weapon, shiny. Okay, an init of check rules, raise value error. So wait, are we actually raising some errors over there? Oh, we are. So that's the problem. So the problem here is okay. Durability equals, let's just say 100. And let's see, what is it? Okay. Still broke. Max stack of 1. So we need to change this to 1. And this should work. Yes, there we go. And now it worked. Okay. 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 But I also yes. We need to add a thing over here before I forget. So we can do it here. So self dot drop equals false. To do later. Dropping items on the ground. Okay. So we check rules first, and then print. Okay. But let me if we let me check. Image equals default item. So if we go ahead and remove this, This should still work. Yes. It did. Because the images item is actually the default item, which was added. So that's good. That is good. That is very good. So we check the rules. Also, if self dot max stack is less than 1, okay, and then if self dot max stack is higher than 32, then we do the same. And let's also do a if no category so in here we can go ahead and delete this, and if we run it, this should crash. Okay, it did. And not supported between instances of string and float. What do you mean? What line is that? In here, check rules. Where am I checking? Where am I what? Okay, how about this? If the category is none, then self dot category equals category miss. How about this? Still broke. No, I swear it is this line. Now if we run this, everything should be fine. Yeah, there we go. It works. It just didn't work for some reason, I guess. So self items, we have that. Then item with ID already exists. Otherwise, we do that. Okay. 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 So I guess we initialize the items in the level, right? Maybe. Unsure. Unsure. But what I am sure about is that we can have a Nope, we can't do that. I'm unsure. I don't know why. That just wouldn't work. So we need something better. Oh. Like, if I do this and I do can I do this? So self.item manager equals that. I should be able to go ahead and say like self dot add item and then we would add that item, but we can't add the item like that because of whatever reasons. I don't know. Okay, I think I figured it out. So I would create a init items.py and then we would have a function called init items. So over here we would just take in the item manager, and then we would go like self.item manager equals that. Can we have a self over there? Yes, we can. That looks weird as fuck. Okay, never mind. So self.item yeah, that just looks weird. I guess we can do like this. So from item import item, and then create what kind of items? Material, consumable. I guess it's material. So so we could go like so. So create let's see. Okay. Create weapons. And let's actually do it like this. So where we have like some sort of like, and then that, and then we do tools, then armor, then we have consumable, then we have material, armors, materials, mists. Actually, we don't need that. We just okay. So item manager, actually not that. We need into materials. So item manager dot add item And then ID would be 0. So ID name is Moonrock. Category. So category dot material weight is like that, and then that's it. Okay. So then technically I could go ahead and say print that. And then just in case, let's do that. Did this work? Okay. So item manager is 0, item object that. Okay. So that's stored stuff, but it's stored it as that, and I can't read that. Print all items in the item manager with ID, name, category, and so on. Okay. So now if we go here, we have ID equals, let me do this. Okay. So ID equals 0, name is Moonrock, category is category material, and weight is that, then that's it. Perfect. That is very cool. I would also like to implement this here. So for item in item manager dot items values print. So now we don't need this, I guess. This is gonna work on its own. Okay. Yep, that worked. Perfect. Now I would like to put that into def print items. So name, category, description. So self, not self, it's item dot description. Max stack equals item dot max stack. Weight, then image, and then it should also have the durability. It doesn't. Okay. Durability, but then hello, I am making a game in Python. then. Like so. That should work now. Okay. Did it print it out now? Okay, so ID, yep. Name, category, yep. Description. Why is it? What? Why is it? Wait, shouldn't the... But shouldn't the... Like if... Like category, material, description... Okay. Hello, Luvi. Step off the booth. Um... So do I just initialize the description to nothing? Is this gonna print it? Why is the description... What? Oh. I think I got it. Problem isn't... That's cool. The humans or the trees get stuck. If that is none, I just need to, and I'm defining this, then weight equals that, and then actually I don't even need to define that. Just like this. So if I run this now, this should display, okay, there we go. Description none. Okay. Listing all items. And then just print. Sure. Let's test it out. And that is not what I wanted. Wait, did I see this right? Yeah. That is not how that is supposed to work. This needs to go up and here. And then this needs to go down. Like so. So now listing all items, and then the ID, category, max stack. Yep. That is all looking good. Okay. Okay. I didn't provide an image. I need to provide an image. That comes after the weight. Image name is that. I am pretty sure that is going to break. Image name is that. I think this should break. Yep. And now it should be fixed. Yep, there we go. And image. There we go. Perfect. But what if I remove this? What does it say then? Is it default image? Image default item. Yep. Okay. That is all set. I mean, I guess we can move on now to the inventory part, since we have the item manager and what's it called? I mean, I guess this is it for now, because those are all the items I currently have. I'm sure I will need to add some other stuff to the items. Like some more properties, but I think for now this is enough. Description is, well, necessary, unnecessary, dictionary, whatever, I don't know. Is it needed? I have no clue. But I guess this is a good start. So actually this should be raise like that, and then this should be if weight is less than that, and then we just do that'll be less than 0.1. There we go. Okay. Because it should raise in this instead of like just printing out, because I could do something like do this, and then I will load the game, and then I will test something out, and I would know that something is broken, and then this would just tell me, because it would just print out all of this, and then it's just gonna say like boom, you know. Which I feel is perfect for this. It doesn't. Why doesn't wait, you can't. No. Wait. I need to check this. They can like yeah. But it doesn't provide the information, which is a problem. I don't. Never mind, I am blind. Why would I think that this doesn't work when it it says right here, item ID. It has like, yeah. Hello, Blockhead James. What's up? How you doing? I am making somewhat of a... Glad you're doing good. I'm doing good too. I am making somewhat of a space game. I don't know where it'll go. This is currently all of the things I have. I can like travel between different planets and then travel to different orbits, and then once we are there, we could go ahead and land those planets and then maybe like explore and like pick up some loot stuff to do something with it. I'm currently implementing the inventory, so I could like maybe have the player mine some blocks or something, interact with the world in some way in order to gain resources that way. Yeah. Glad you like it. Are you also doing something yourself when you stumbled upon this? Or you were looking for a tutorial? Or something? That's good, that's good. Anything else? Image, yep. Okay. That's cool. No. Okay, are you also like programmer, or you do it as a hobby, or are you just trying to learn code? That's cool. I also do it as a hobby. Are you self-taught as well? That's cool. I'm also self-taught. Oh, you know Java. Java was my first language that I learned. I was trying to make mods for Minecraft. And then I started to like make a game, and then I kind of couldn't. And then I just copied the whole repository and like made the game. Oh, you do Minecraft plugins? That's cool. I never did any of that. I did only modding, and recently I tried some data packs, but it didn't seem that much interesting. I don't play Minecraft that much, so it didn't make sense to do it more. Okay. So if I do this, this should tell me, yep, as a default image. That is what I need to know. Okay. Yeah, Pygame. Pretty much all of it is Pygame. And it's a pain to like have to do a lot of things from scratch. But I don't have the will to learn Unreal Engine or Unity or Godot or something like that to make a game. I tried them and I used Unreal for a long time, but it just, I was always making the same thing, and the tutorials I watched that went on to make some kind of prototypes for games, I just abandoned because it didn't seem interesting. It was like you skip one tutorial and then all of the other stuff is just, well, how did this happen? When did you add this? And I made one game in Pygame in like, I don't know, 2 hours from a tutorial. And then after that I said, well, if I want to make a game, just use Pygame since I guess easier for me. Yeah, I don't like Unity. I don't like the Unity games because they're, I don't know, there's a lot of things I don't like about Unity. Although Unity for me is better than Godot. I tried Godot, but I just, to this day, I have no clue how to use that engine. Like zero. I cannot even make a sprite or a player move. No clue how it works. I watched the tutorial multiple times and I no clue. Okay, I'm familiar with Electron. I've never used it, but I am somewhat familiar. I know what it kind of does and works. Are you like learning to make something out of the like programming to like get a you get a job later, or are you like trying to like make games later, or are you like are always gonna do it as a hobby, or you just want to do like websites or software or something like that, or like do games? VJS, I know one, I think it's Construct 3D or something. Oh. It's all good. No pressure. I didn't know how old you were, so I didn't know like it. Now the question doesn't make sense. Never mind. keep working on the code and making stuff, whatever it is. So you learn something from it. Even if it's not good or whatever it is. Just keep doing, practicing, and don't give up if you like it that much. Okay. But it also depends on what you like. You have so much to choose from. You could, if you're interested on like how computers work, you could like learn the low level languages, things like that. Then you could like create engines or like some sort of softwares that run like that you like create code for others to use to make something from that code. Like you could create the next Unreal Engine, you could create the next Unity, you could create the next Electron, or things like that. Or you like just using those things like Unreal or Electron or things like that to create like things, or is it like games? There's a lot of different things. Or you could do like automation, AI stuff. There's a lot of things like that you could choose from. There's probably even more, and depending on what you like, or you could like go in that direction and like start looking for that. And if you don't know which you're interested in, then just try maybe a lot of things to see what you like. And if it's like, and if you go ahead and say, I want to do the low level, like I want to create the next Unreal Engine, just know that it is hard to learn all of that, but it's not impossible because people have built it. So whatever you choose to do or you want to learn, just don't give up. If you find it hard, you can give it up for a little, for like a month, 2 months, you know. Just let it be. Do something else. Don't pressure yourself. You could also do this. Wait, why is it? Why was it set to that? Why? That's cool. Like also you could later on, I don't know when, but once you're old enough to like earn money for yourself, you could use that knowledge and go on websites like Fiverr or something, and then like tell people I'll create, I don't know, something in Python for you, and then you name a price, like I'll make a game in Godot or something for you, and depending on like how hard the game is, like you pay them, like they pay you like, I don't know, $50 or something for like a small simple game. Or like I will automate something for you in Python for this amount of money, and that way you could earn some money on the side while you look for a job, or like you want to earn the money for something else, you know, just extra money on the side, why not? And it won't take you that long to do those things, and also you will learn from that. Putting a Fortnite ranks into math homework. I'm not sure what that is. I have played Fortnite once, and it was probably in the first year that it came out and never again, so I have no clue about the game. Oh, so it's like a class leaderboard, like you and your friends from school, like you get to see who has the most points and who's like number one and who's last. That kind of thing. That is cool. What doesn't it... Oh, so they just assign points to a homework, but then at the end it's for nothing, so you just want to like make something out of it. Like at least have it be somewhat like the leaderboard. That's cool. Still cool. You could do that, but I think it's not worth spending resources on doing something like that if the points are pointless for the school. If you want to like do it for just the leaderboard thing, that's cool. You can show it off to your teachers or whoever. That's still something. If you want to hook it up to a database, then go ahead. Sure, why not? Do it. Do it then. That is true. That is true. Homework can be boring. Go ahead, why not? Let me check something. This. What did you say? You said that? Okay. That is JS. No, it's all good. Don't worry about it. Here you go if you need some help with that. This is a cool website. If you go like back, this is a cool website for all of the engines to make games, I think. Yeah, for any game. If you go back, you can see like what language, and then it's just gonna show you what engines you have over there. And like based on what you know, you could like maybe filter out and find something. But also, this is, I guess, useful. That website, it's from a dude called Pirate Software. He's really good and like a really good motivator, I would say, to do things. And over here on this website, he wrote a lot of things on how to make games and like how to plan it out and do stuff. So if you're interested, you can check out that website too. No problem. Okay. Okay. Mhm. So selected item equals none and selected index equals none. Um, so let's just try this first. Add item, self item, amount equals 1. And 4. I think I could just copy all of this old code, and I think this is gonna work. We need this from item, import item. And here we have the different things, right? Yeah. So ID name, ID name category, description, okay. Description, max stack, weight, item name, and durability. That's it. But I'm not creating an I'm not creating an item. I need to get the item from the manager and then set the stack count, because yep. Oh, this is a little bit complicated. I don't need that. I need this and I need this add item. I'm pretty sure. And a manager. And not that. Nope. Item manager. Like so, and then when I create it, I just Put it there. So I guess this would look like something like this. So new item would equal self item manager dot get item. I'm pretty sure I am doing this wrong. I'm pretty sure. Hmm. I need ChatGPT for this. But how do I need it? Hmm. Okay. So whatever. Then we also need inventory system. Add item. Okay. Okay, now let's I need this. And I need all of this. Okay. What else? What else? What else? What else? There. We need the UI. Then we need the item. Inventory. And I think that's it. Yeah, let's see what it says for that. Okay, so that's what you said. Okay. So I guess I did this right. So we get it by the ID, which it gets from here. Okay. So it looks like we do it here. And from inventory, import inventory. And then so item manager, good. That should be this. Okay, and this is what you said for that. And then this is your UI. Okay. And then that here. Okay. I think we can do this in the level. Here. Right? I yeah. Okay. I guess I can do it there. Not there, here. Then elif, and then inventory UI. And then that's it. So, okay. We got the inventory being drawn. Okay. But now, where did we do this? Here. So, I want to self.inventory add item. Let's do it like this. Ah, there we go. It's up there. It is small, but it is there. Okay. That's cool, you're still here. I was having trouble organizing how I do this, but it seemed to be pretty straightforward. I just made the problem look way worse than it actually was. I thought like adding the inventory like UI or HUD would be a lot more complicated, but I guess it didn't. It isn't. Because this is working, it's just not doing stuff properly. And let's add another item. And this should go to that. It broke. Why? Is it because it, yeah, it's, yep. And there we have the default item. Default item. Did I keep it default? Here's the question. I did. Okay, that is also cool to know. That is also cool to know that that works. This should actually go up here. And current false, all of that, yep. And plot size equals c.tile size, and then you also gave me this, which I think I ignored. Then this is font. Do I have a font size? I do. Okay. And draw if item. So we need to scale and center image. So transform. Actually, no. Scale and then item dot image. I think this should be image name. But I think this is still gonna be a slight problem. Okay, rect center, yep. And then screen with image rect, draw the scaled up image. And then draw item quantity text. So if item dot stack count bigger than 1, text surface self font dot render string item dot stack, and then instead of pygame color we will use c dot color black, although I think we need to do that. And then text rectangle equals text surface dot get rect, and then bottom right equals rect bottom right. I think it should be like this, and then just screen split that. And both of these items should now have 10. Nope. It crashed. Why? There it is. Okay. Let's see now. And there it is. That is cool. Do I get print statements if I click on them? Oh, I do. That is cool. That is cool. Okay. Now that we got that, I think I should use the label for this. Actually, wait. Could I do it for UI? Level dot. Okay. Let me try something. Okay. If event dot t equals pygame dot a, I don't know, 4. Actually, let's go target z. Let's do self dot level dot inventory right? Yes. And then in there let's do this. Okay. inventory dot remove item 0. Just one. And let's see how does it work. Like, that is so cool. That is so cool. But now, hmm. I, hmm. I guess. I mean, this is cool that it updates in real time. I click on them and it registers that, and then if I just remove them, it just updates it. That is cool. Wait, what is it? If it's one, it just doesn't show anything. Okay. Okay. We might need to change the padding just a little bit. This is also good. Also, maybe. All right. White. Color like that. Maybe. Maybe not. I don't know. Now what I need is so if I also close the inventory. Also draw the is holding. Okay. Okay. Then we go ahead with this. Tori. UI. Da, da, da. Okay. Selected Moon Rock 10. That is still cool. I thought I would have more problems with this, but thankfully so far none. I am hoping it goes this smooth. Like if I come up to a problem, I would rather have it be that I don't know how to do it rather than I fucked something up and I need to fix a lot of stuff in order to do this. So I'm just hoping I can do. So okay, back from the old code. Okay, so now we need a select item. We need the self and the index. Okay, I'll add the split later to do add split. We can do that later. Okay, row all equals index. So if self dot slot row column select the whole item stack, self selected item equals that, and then self dot lots row column equals none, and then self dot selected index equals row column return true, and then return false. Okay. Now we do place item self index this f drop item index as so now row call equals index, that is okay. So if not self selected item, right, then we return false, no item selected. But then if not self, yep, then self slots row equals select item, then self selected item, nope, not select item, selected item equals none, and then selected index equals none, then we return true. Okay, now if there's an item in the slot and it's the same type, try to stack What is it? Is it this? No. This? No. What do you mean? It's Is this better? No, it's still the same. Oh. Doesn't matter that much, I guess. Okay. Try to stack them. Okay. If self lots row column ID equals self dot selected item ID needed equals self dot slots row column okay, and then add amount equals minimum needed self dot select items stack count, and then self dot slots row column stack count. Yep. And then this one. So and now if self dot selected is 0, we do that, and then we return true. Swap items. So we need lots row. Actually, no. We need self dot selected index. Did I do this right? And this. Nope. Okay. Then self selected item equals none and selected index equals none. And then we return a row after all of that. Okay. Then we need cancel selection self. So if self selected item, if we have an item selected, yep. And then this is This is from the old code. So we just need to import game. We don't need the item. In the UI stuff. Okay, so we need to check. So if rect collide point event pause, and if self dot inventory selected item attempt to place the selected item in the select slot. If not, self dot inventory dot place item X and Y. If placing item failed, try swapping or reselecting. Self inventory select item. Ooh, this could have been a mistake. That could have been a big mistake, I think. Yeah. Else select the item if no item is currently selected. Self.inventory select item and then return after handling to avoid multiple interactions. Okay. So then we need to do this here. Prod inventory. So if so that inventory inventory dot selected item, then we do inventory draw that. Okay. And when toggling the inventory ability, so if not self dot inventory UI, there we go. Okay. Please work. Why won't you work? Why? Any print statements or something? Listing all items, and that's it. Wait, I added that stuff to here, right? Unsure, honestly. Unsure. Or maybe that... But it still doesn't work. And select or move items in the inventory. Okay, so we need those. What do we have in level? Level is that. Okay. Then inventory. Then the UI. It is not clear to me why this doesn't work. Hmm. Oh, that might be right. That might be right. That might be right. That might be right. Yeah, I think... Yeah. I think it's like this. Hmm. But this should work, but... Oh. There we go. Okay, so it is c dot font and font size, and it's not that. It is c dot white. So now we can come here and delete that. It should work, I hope and pray. Okay. I can still fix this, maybe. UI. Okay. I mean, that is still cool to have a thing like that. Okay. Wait, can I do the... Not really. But yeah, this is really cool. I think this is even better than the initial version. Let me check. So over here, I did that. Over here, it's nothing. So if I open the inventory, it is like this. Yeah, over here, it just jumps up where the mouse is instead of like going up as well. Wow, this is really cool. Okay, so let me just get rid of that and this. Okay. So we got that. Really good so far. Um, um, where is the... I'm unsure. Unsure, unsure, unsure. Okay. I will be right back. I have returned. Okay. Now, okay. So, okay. Um, what even, what is even the next thing? Splitting items, I guess. Let's see. Select items. So that is also here. So let's see. How different is this? So split equals false. So if not that, hmm. Uh, so I need to just how items are manipulated based on whether the user wants to select the whole stack or split it. Hmm. What if we let's do this. This shouldn't break, but this should do something. You see, But if we do 32 and then this, I guess it's okay for that not to work. I guess if we do it like that, it doesn't matter. Okay, self dot slot call, and now we need to do if split the stack. So current item equals self dot slot scroll half amount equals that, and if half amount is bigger than 0, self selected item equals self item manager dot the item current item ID, then self selected item back count equals that, and then current item minus equals, and then self selected index equals that, and then we return true. Else we do all this. I think we might need to update this. So if selected item this is what you're telling me. Okay. And then in the UI, so tools. Should split and like so. Yeah. It doesn't work properly. And puts the stack into 1. Like where's this thing over here? Select the item. Nope. This one. So if split, then original equals that, and then half amount equals stack count divided by 2, and then if given then is equals that, get item by ID, then wait a minute, get that, then self.selected item dot stack count equals half of the amount, and then the current item minus equals that one, and then that's that, and then else. But here it is return true. Okay. Or I guess this works as well. Like, like, Um. Okay, and then this. Okay. I'm hoping I can like do this and like implement this splitting feature, and then after that, if needed, maybe I will do something else, but I think I'm just gonna wrap it up and just leave it as it is and just chill. See, like, if that's what you... And then the UI, yeah. Full event looks like this. Rage. Like, bro. I am... Like, why would you... Like, why would you not work? Why would you do that? Hmm. Uh... Beast. How about if I do this? If I press this, it should... Yeah, it's removing from both slots. Like, this isn't good. Like, yeah. That didn't fix it. And also... that didn't fix it. And then also... the problem is when removing items, we remove all instances of that item in our inventory, since we use ID only and not the slot from where we're removing that item. So since this is the problem, I think this is the same for the splitting of items. And also if I split an item, I have multiple stacks, or all the other items are split too, but they are all split into one. I don't know why, but they are. Fixed. Okay. So that's what we need. That's what we need. And okay. Ooh. That is all pretty cool, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Okay. So yes. For the item, to remove it, we need this, I think. Concert after concert, I was raking in the dough, rolling in green. Row column. And then the select item. This is what you told me. Okay. And then the handle event in here. I have zero faith in this working. Zero. Yeah. Like, Oh yeah, because yeah. Okay, this is better, but still, when we split, we we split all items. So if I have 2 stacks of 32 moon rock, then I split it into split one, because I'm one item. It splits both, but it should only split the one where the block index is. Right. Okay. So be careful what you wish for, because you just might get it. And if you get it, then you just might not know what to do with it, because it might just come back on you tenfold. Like, hmm. Pray she the mole, little boy, you gonna learn. All them pray you last in the urn. You just saw your last rock, you just better earn. Now pray she the mole, little boy, you gonna learn. All of she a little ah ah. So it was so dope from a gold rope. What a one though. It was so dope. Was a have not, because my pockets didn't have knots. I was so broke. Mm-hmm. Like, the worst part about this is that there's 16 items of those. So oh boy. Like, if I do this, this is fine. This is perfect, you know? I can't combine them, but, you know, still, it's fine. Like, you see, however many instances I create, all of them get split into zero, nothing. Unsure. Um, hmm. Wow. Ah. Hey, that is still cool. Um, so let me take images from this. So and then let's split this. So first image is inventory starts off. Second image is when I split one item and place it under. You can see the same item is also split, but the other half of it got deleted. Since hold it, I guess. So this is the talking about. And since I can have items outside the inventory, this proves that doesn't work properly. So I hope you can fix it for me. Like, apart from the item ID, we also need to get the slot. So we split this item in that slot and the other item, same ID, we don't touch because it doesn't make sense. We're only splitting one slot. Like, bro. Rep got all my people from the front to the back, not back, not. So call me Rap Pop. If I be rap, look up, keep USB my jeans. I got a laptop in my back pocket, my pinnacle off in a half cock. I got a fat enough for my rap profit. Made a living nickel in off it ever since Bill Clinton was still in office and Monica Lewinsky filling on his nutsack. I hope spray to shed some light. But this should... So this is your proposal, like so. And then the UI handle event. And this is your fix to this. Okay, let's see. Oh, it still doesn't work. Like maybe... I am unsure about this because I don't really understand what the problems kind of are. So on a cable channel, so Rachel went straight to the radio station the very next day. Hey Fab, I'ma kill you. There's someone at you, to be honest. Samalama dumala you, someone I'm a human, but I gotta do to get it through. I'm superhuman, innovative, and the mid rubs for things saying ricocheting of me. I'm devastating more than demonstrating how to give a mother. Oh, he's still mainstream. It's not hip hop, it's pop because I found out how to fuse it with rock, shock rock. Wait, doc, don't lose yourself, I can lose it. I don't know how to make sounds like that. I don't know what words to use. Let me know what it occurs to you while I'm ripping any versus you. Broski. Like, I know you did these changes, but I swear this will not work. Nope. Nope, doesn't, nope. Like... Okay. I think I can go back in time enough enough. Um, like so. Okay. Um, no, 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 no. I don't know what caused me to be this way. I mean, okay. Back to... You know what? Uh, and some stuff. But I need to add putting items and do that. Okay. And also we need to know what item we're splitting, and the same with every other functions, since the items reference ID and we can't really go by ID only. We need to take in the account for the plot that we're doing stuff with that item function. And then like that, because I tried, and if I split the stack using the item ID, if I have multiple instances of the same item in the inventory, it would split them all. So we need to do something in order to prevent this. Okay. Did I miss anything else? We could add items top of each other if there's space, space items in inventory, and so on. Everything by taking the ID and also the current slot or the slot that item came from. Okay. Here, current code. Okay. And items. Inventory. Wait. Okay. Let's see. What are we dealing with? None? Okay. Let's see. Actually, let me do this. So this is where shit worked. Move items in inventory. Let me just commit that. So if I fuck anything up, I can go back to this. Okay. Okay, where's the what was I about to check? Is it this? No. Is it this? No. Panels. Um, like so. Like so. Um, actually not that. It is this. And then where is that thing? It is somewhere in here. Oh yeah, it is here. Thursday, Saturday, Tuesday. Time zone. Hmm. Never mind, this is fine. Okay. Where's the... Here, okay, got it. Now I need that. Now I need this. So... This is what you had to say. Let's get that, okay. And then that is the handle event. Okay, let's try it out. Ah, that still doesn't work. Oh, boy. So we can safely go ahead and discard everything. Because that just didn't work. So... if we split the... So I'm guessing this goes in here. And then we place... the split item. Okay. Open. And then and split. Pray, please work. Oh boy. Nope. I give up. I'll deal with this later. Whoever watched, didn't watch. Thank you. See ya.